Good morning. Today I've got a Honda to do. It belongs to a cleaner who does occasional mowing with it. Okay, his main complaint is it's hard to start. I think it actually does run. I've had no evidence of that myself. I haven't been able to start it. The starter itself is in very good condition. I'll see if I can actually rectify something there for him. Yeah, the rope hangs out a little bit. A little bit of wear and tear on the side there, which has been repaired by somebody else, but anyway, we'll have a look and see what's going on with it.